What's up, Warriors? Ed here. Now, you probably just saw my video on cleaning and kind of repairing the DWR on an Alpha jacket. Now, we're going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to talk about cleaning and repairing the waterproofness of your shoes, all right? So, I have my Swiss Spontes right here. I wear them every day, so it's about time they get a cleaning. We're going to use the Nikwax product here that you can see. We have the footwear cleaning gel and we have the fabric and leather proof. This is going to clean the shoe and this is going to help waterproof it and make sure that there's a little bit of water repellency going on the outside. So, all right, so the first step is you want to make sure you get all the dirt, brain, all that kind of nasty stuff you got on your shoe. You want to make sure you get it off. Use a sponge, use a brush if you need to, even dump them in water if that's going to work. All right, so after you've gotten the dirt off, and in this case we're just focusing on the front of the shoe, you're going to want to grab the cleaning gel, and it's really easy. Just make sure you shake it up and then use the handy dandy sponge to get the cleaning material onto your shoe. Just rub it in. Sometimes you won't be able to see it as well as others, but you give it a good squeeze and you'll see the stuff come out. All right, so once you get the soap on there, if there's any really dirty parts, you could use a nylon brush or something like that to scrub it. And then once you're like this, let it sit for a little bit and grab some water, which I have in my US Leaf bottle, and just rinse it off. I got it all over my shorts.
It's on camera.
Fine. So then you're gonna let this sit and dry for as long as it may take. Instead of doing that, what I'll do is I'll show you the next step, which is going to be we're going to apply the fabric and leather proof. This is going to add a waterproof layer onto the shoe. These are Gore-Tex, so there's a waterproof material on the inside, but this is going to actually help the water bead off the outside of your shoe. And almost the same process, shake it up, got the same sponge, and then you're just going to rub it into your shoe. Make sure you get the plastic and make sure you get that fabric as well. You're going to let the waterproofing stay on for about 2 minutes, and then just take a sponge or a cloth and just wipe off any extra material that you have on there. So there you go. There's a nice and easy way to clean your shoes and make sure you restore that waterproof that's on there. All right, guys, very easy. Make sure you pick up the Nikwax cleaning supplies and waterproof supplies in our shop. Like, subscribe, follow, and let us know what you guys think about these waterproofing products that we sell. See you guys next time. Have a good one.